Hello there guys, just a quick video for you today. Today is Amazon Prime Day and there are a couple of decent deals out there on models, so I thought I'd show you a couple of them. There are links to these in the description below, and full disclosure, that is an Amazon affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you buy something via that link. First up we have the Revel 1/72 scale Lancaster. This is a great kit. I've built it a couple of times myself. It's right up there I think with the Airfix Lancaster, and it doesn't suffer from the warped parts that the Airfix kit often does. I was really happy with this when I built it, and it's got that slightly unusual scheme there with the yellow wingtips and the yellow tail that makes it stand out from other Lancasters. Staying with heavy bombers, we've got this B17G Flying Fortress from Revel. Decent discount on this one. I haven't built this kit myself, but I've heard it's decent from other people. And in fact you can also find the F version of this on Amazon Prime as well. If you're looking for some ground crew figures to go with your 1/72 scale aircraft, here are some 1/76 scale personnel from Airfix. They are an older tooling, but you do get a lot of figures in the kit, and to be honest there's not that many ground figures out there. A bit more of a modern tooling next, and we have the Airfix Avro Ansen Mark I in 1/48 scale. A lovely little kit. I've been tempted to buy this a few times recently. I think Airfix or somewhere else had it on a discount recently, and I almost bought it. I'm in the middle of my Amazon Prime trial, so with free delivery I might actually go for this evening. This kit is actually $49.99 on the Airfix website, so that's a pretty decent discount here. And it comes with schemes for Coastal Command in the sort of white fuselage, a training scheme with a yellow underside, and your standard dark earth and dark green camo scheme. Next up, Airfix's 1/72 scale BF110 tropical version. This is a 2023 re-release of a 2010 tooling with two scheme options in the box. Finally, going up a bit in the scale, we've got the 1/32 scale Tamia Mosquito Mark VI fighter bomber version. I don't think I have space for this, but I do reckon that it would be a solid kit to build. I did like their 1/48 scale Mosquito, and I have heard good things about this one. There are of course more deals out there on Amazon Prime. There are a few cars with some decent discounts. There's a HMS Victory kit with a decent discount, and so on, but I just picked these kits here because they caught my eye immediately. As I say, there are links in the description below, or of course you can go directly to Amazon and search for them. Have fun guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a full video later this week.